Today we will be doing a special meditation where I will be channeling energy. So channeling all the energies I have access to. So if you are open to receive this, just allow it to flow across all time, space and dimension. I will be channeling light. I am working with a divine being who is teaching me code. So I am channeling code and light frequency. So if you would like to receive this, just be open. I will be channeling frequencies through light language. I will also be allowing sound to come through. So I have my medicine drum and the crown chakra singing bowl. So just allowing the frequencies of the sound, of the light, of the code, of the energy to flow through you. And I'd like you to think of an intention. So something you're wishing to clear, something you're ready to release. And we're going to go deep and we're going to sit with it. So just bringing to your attention, into your mind, just something you want to work on, maybe an emotion, maybe a limiting belief, maybe something you're working through at the moment, a situation. Just bringing it to mind what you're wanting to release, find closure, clarity, something you're wanting to shift. We're going to see if we can add these frequencies, these healing frequencies, to allow that shift in your body, your mind, and your soul. Alright, so just breathing. Just allowing a beautiful protective field just to surround you. You are divinely protected in this moment. And just dropping into presence. Connecting with heart space and just breathing. Thanking yourself for turning up. We're just going to witness what it is that you're wanting to shift. Just bring it to your mind. All of you is welcome here. Just gaining awareness of how this is showing up in your reality. Feeling the emotions in your body. Where does it sit? What emotions are associated with what you are feeling? And allow yourself to feel. Witness the discomfort. What are you telling yourself? What is the story around this? We tell ourselves so many stories. So just ask yourself, what is my story around this? What have I created in my reality? What am I sitting with? What am I looping with? Just sitting with it. Just witnessing it. Any limiting beliefs or the core belief that you have formed from this. What do you believe about yourself? What do you believe about your reality? How has it created suffering for you? What is the attachment to that? What is the secondary gain? How is it serving you? Sometimes these things stay in our reality because it serves us. That entanglement. We want it gone so badly, yet it serves us. So just feeling into that. Just acknowledging how it's affecting your life. What is it affecting in your life? And we're just going to sit in it. We're just going to witness. You might like to listen to the drum as we just journey into all aspects of this. Try and go deeper. Try and really understand it. Ask yourself the hard questions. Ask yourself the questions you don't want to ask yourself. Sitting with it. Deeper, deeper. How is it really affecting you? All of you is welcome here, sitting with anything that comes up. Witnessing the attachments, any souls that are connected to this. Going deeper and deeper and deeper into this. Yano koyana dai, kayanai, dayano shtoyana, kayanai, dio shtoyano koyana dash dio koyanai. Just feeling this in your body, feeling the emotions, really witnessing it, shining light on all parts of you, going deeper into the dense pockets. Every bit we are shining light, we are witnessing, we are bringing it to the surface so we can heal. Asking, what are the lessons? Why is this turning up for you? If everything in your life is turning up for a reason, for your soul to grow and evolve, there is a lesson for this. Did you create this? Did you contract this? Sometimes our internal reality is reflected by our external reality. So what is going on in your internal reality, you have manifested into your external reality. Just sitting with it. Being really honest with yourself. Journeying to the depth of your subconscious, unconscious mind to find these answers. Everything you're needing to witness and see is valid here. Giving it a voice. What does it wish to say? Why is it showing up in your reality? Maybe it's looping. Maybe it's repeating. Maybe there is karma attached to it. Witness with love. Witness it with compassion and forgiveness. As we just breathe into it. Allow it all to flow to the surface. To acknowledge all parts of it. Just breathing into that. Allowing it to surface. And we ask, with your sovereign, I am presence, with your choice. Ask to call in your guides. Ask to call in your healing team. Ask to heal. Ask to release. Ask to shift this. Ask for support. Ask to clear, heal, and release this. Sometimes all we need to do is witness in order to feel a shift. Kayana to koyana, kayana tishtiyo no koyana, kiana tashto koyana ta ikiana, tashto yana ka kiano oakana, tashtiana ka koyana, itana tishtiyo no doi, domboria to ko kayano to ka dio no koyana, tiana tashtiana ko koyana ta iana toyana kai, tishtiana koyana, itiano koyana tai. Asking to fill your vessel with pure source light. Just allowing pure source light to fill your crown. Fill your entire vessel as we start to wash. We ask for complete energy clearing on all levels. We ask to fill you up. What do you need? What do you need to tell yourself in order to release this? as we call back all parts of you, calling back all soul fragments, asking to cut any cords, asking to cut any attachments to any old limiting beliefs, anything that has not been serving you. We ask to cut this old energy field as we purify this new energy signature. As you acknowledge yourself in this moment with your I am statements. What is your powerful reframe? What is your new belief? What is the new energy signature that you are going to embody from this moment onwards? Knowing that that old energy now is in the past, how do you wish to be? How do you wish to be in this world? How do you wish to feel and embody in this now moment with your free will choice? Shanakaya na itionoya ka ayanto kiana tashti doshtoya nakai kayanai tashdai ikionoi shoko koyanata akakai nishto doshtianai. And just breathe into that. Just filling yourself up. Filling yourself up. Everything you need in this now moment. Understanding the lesson. The reason you needed to go through that. And if you need to ask for karmic release, ask. Ask to complete. Ask to release. Ask for karmic healing. Completing any karma in this now moment, just ask. Ask and you shall receive. Kayana dashtoyana kianoshti. Kayano doshtianai. Doshtiano koyanai. Oyano koyana tayana akoi. Dishtoyano okoyanai. Kiana ashto koyanai. Dishtushto kokoyanai. And just breathing into that. You are powerful. You have the ability to shift and heal whatever it is in your reality. You are a creator being. You create your reality. So in this moment, creating your now moment, creating your new timeline, your highest vibrational timeline moving forward. Asking for all aspects of the being to recalibrate to this new high frequency as we lift you up and we ask the neural pathways to rewire and realign. Time we ask for instant integration of this energy as we anchor it into our heart space. Just feel into that. Just releasing any residue, fully allowing the release, full clearing, for release as you step into this new frequency. Just breathing into that. Just asking if it is complete. Asking your healing team just to tie up any loose ends. That needs to be transmuted. It is done, it is done, it is done. I'm just breathing into that. Now, if you would like to go deeper with anything that came up for today, if you would like a one-on-one healing session to assist you to clear anything that you're wanting to clear, please reach out and book a session. Email me to debrief. You can find me on Patreon or YouTube or Facebook under Sacred Healing Space. And if you would like to support my mission, it is my mission to heal myself and help the collective heal. Please donate to my mission so I can